Hi guys. Okay, so listen, I am at the railway station right now. I am traveling to another city. So here's something very funny that happened today. Okay, I was getting lost. I have got an e-ticket, so I didn't know where to enter and everything. So I've been walking and walking and walking and walking, and my train is almost up. So this railway station is called the Beijing South Railway Station, one of the biggest railway stations in China. Okay, so here is where you find the speed trains. So this is where I'm going. Okay, and I'm running late, guys. I was getting lost. So let me take you on a journey, and I'm going to talk to you again as we continue. So let's go. This is Beijing South Railway Station. It has got about 24 platforms, okay? About 24 platforms. And per hour, it serves about 30,000 people per hour. And it has got, the high-speed train from Beijing Tianjin and Beijing Shanghai. I'm going to be taking the first train, which is the Beijing Shanghai, which takes about 350 kilometers per hour. So that's where I am. I have to look for where I am going to be. Now I need to turn the camera so that you can see. Okay, and I'm running late, but I'm starting to do this. You'll never learn. So I don't know. But I think it's here. Okay, guys. So I have arrived at Cangzhou. I have arrived from Beijing. So I was in this one. It travels about 350 kilometers per hour. Okay. So guys, look. don't know. We have arrived. So,
早晨7度吧。
早上。
好的，我们已经从门口了。那